Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to print a flight ticket from trip.com. So first of all, you need to come here on trip.com. Afterwards, you just have to log in into your account if you haven't already. You can also follow the same steps inside your trip mobile application. So when you are inside it, you just have to simply look for the option of manage my booking section. So when you are inside manage my booking, you need to simply locate the flight booking that you want to print, and then you just have to select it in order to open your complete itinerary. Over here you will find some of the important details about your flight ticket, such as flight number, departure time, passenger information and booking reference. So once you are on the booking page, you need to simply look for this particular e-ticket option. In your account it will be with the name booking confirmation. So simply select the option of get e-receipt, and after that you just have to select your e-receipt in order to send. After selecting it, you just have to simply press continue and then provide your name and your email address and simply click on the option of send. So once you do this, you are going to basically get your e-ticket on your registered email address. From there you just have to download the PDF. So when the PDF is downloaded, you just have to do nothing but to just simply press Ctrl plus P on your keyboard, and as soon as you press Ctrl plus P on your keyboard, you will be shown this type of print page in front of you. So over here simply click on the option of print, and this way you will be able to print your tickets. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.